Thomas and Friends, Episode 1, Wooden Railway Adventures. One day, Thomas was puffing on the truck. He was supposed to deliver this, but then he noticed a strange surprise. "Hey, Puffball, where do you think you're going?" Well, Diesel, I'm going to take these cars to the docks." "What a smelly job. You're gross." Ugh. "See you around, Puffball." In the meanwhile, Thomas was heading down the line. "Wait a second, I gotta take you to the station." They finally delivered at the station. The station master was not pleased. "Well, you could have done better," he said. "Or it could have done worse for you." Thomas was going to go up the hill. Oh, and by the way, this episode's title, "Every Engine in My Way." "Now what?" he said. "Well, sorry. Just get out of the way. Here, I'll come back down." Whee! Whoa! Hey, those are my cars. Oh, ow! What the? Wait, what's going on here? Who cares about these cars anyway? Get out of here. Oh. As meanwhile, Thomas was going up the hill. You know, he was going down, but when he came down, he had to immediately apply his brakes, but it was too late. He hit Henry, and therefore almost flew off the track. Diesel needed to get into the shed. Oh no! It was a despicable mess. So Topham Hatt was not pleased, but then finally got Edward up. As soon as Edward was fixed up finally, he popped on his way to where he was going. And when Thomas was coming down the line, there was another Diesel switch. "Now what?" "You get out of my way," said the Diesel. "I'm a new Diesel, and now treat me with some respect, you puffball. Get on this line and shut my truck." "What do you say?" When Thomas was on his way to the station, he noticed there was engines crashing everywhere. And it's Dodge went back, and then the other engine. What the heck is going on here? Oh my gosh, there is so much grease. So Topham Hatt would be mad with us, you know. Here. A minute later, they were uncoupled and everything was fine. When Thomas finally got the passengers there, he had his day.